In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a parent navigation folder clickable by adding a folder under Pages, creating a link inside it, and using custom code so the top level item opens your target page. This is a really useful setup when you want your navigation to work in a more intuitive way. Normally, a folder in your site menu is just there to hold drop-down items. It expands to show links, but the folder itself usually does not go anywhere when someone clicks it. If you want that parent item to both display a submenu and also act like a normal link, this method gives you a clean way to do it. Start by going to your Pages area and creating a folder. This folder will act as the parent item in your navigation. As you name it, keep in mind that this is the label visitors will see in your menu, so choose something clear and relevant to the section of your site. Next, inside that folder, create a link item that points to the page you actually want visitors to land on. This target page could be an overview page, a featured category page, or any destination that makes sense as the main location for that section. The idea here is simple. The folder is the visible parent in the menu, and the link inside it stores the destination you want the parent item to open. Once that structure is in place, the final step is to add custom JavaScript and CSS, or use a lightweight header injection area if your platform provides one. This code makes the top-level parent folder item respond to a click by navigating to the same target page as the link you placed inside the folder. When adding custom code, be careful to place it in the correct global area so it loads on the pages where your navigation appears. After that, save your changes and test the menu on the live site. Click the parent item and confirm that it opens the intended page, and also check that the submenu behavior still works as expected, especially on mobile and tablet, where navigation can behave differently. If something does not work right away, double check the folder and link structure first. In many cases, the issue is not the code itself, but a mismatch between the parent item and the child link destination. With that done, you'll have a navigation menu that feels smoother and more user-friendly, while keeping your site structure organized and easy to browse.